Are you looking for the best drawing tablets? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro V2 is a 15.6-inch Full HD pen display designed for digital artists, illustrators, and animators, featuring a fully laminated anti-glare screen with high color accuracy, 99% sRGB, 96% Adobe RGB, 96% Display P3 for vibrant and true-to-life visuals. Its X3 Pro stylus supports 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, 60 degrees tilt recognition, and a low activation force of approximately 3G, enabling precise and natural drawing. The tablet includes a red dial for zoom, brush size, and scrolling adjustments, along with 8 customizable shortcut keys to enhance workflow. Measuring approximately 442.9 x 279.9 at 12.9 mm and weighing around 1847 kilos without stand, it offers broad OS compatibility including Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux, making it a versatile and professional choice for digital art and design creation. Number 2. GAOMON PD1 Ascent 6.1. The GAOMON PD161 is an 11.6-inch Full HD IPS pen display tablet designed for digital artists and illustrators, featuring an anti-glare screen and a compact footprint for small workspaces. It comes with a battery-free stylus supporting 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus 60 degrees tilt recognition, providing smooth and responsive pen control for drawing, sketching, and editing. The tablet includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and OSD menu buttons for workflow optimization, including left-hand mode. While it requires connection to a computer via HDMI and USB and lacks a built-in stand, the PD161 offers strong build quality, accurate input, and excellent performance at an affordable price, making it a suitable choice for beginners and budget-conscious creators. Number 3. GAOMON PD200 Tablet. The GAOMON PD200 is a 21.5-inch Full HD pen display tablet designed for digital artists, featuring an IPS anti-glare screen with full lamination to minimize parallax and enhance drawing precision. It comes with a battery-free stylus supporting 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, plus 60 degrees tilt recognition, and a high resolution of 5080 LPI for responsive input. The tablet includes 8 programmable shortcut keys for workflow efficiency and an adjustable stand allowing tilt angles from approximately 15 degrees to 85 degrees for comfortable drawing or display use. With a wide gamut display covering about 92% NTSC, 30% sRGB, it delivers vibrant colors while reducing glare. Although it requires connection to a computer via HDMI and USB, the PD200 offers excellent value for a large format drawing monitor, making it ideal for illustrators, animators, and graphic designers seeking expanded screen real estate and a pen-on-screen experience. Number 4. GAOMON M10K Pro. The GAOMON M10K Pro is a 10x6.25-inch wired graphics tablet designed for digital artists, featuring a large active area for precise drawing and creative work. It comes with a battery-free stylus supporting 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus 60 degrees tilt recognition, allowing for natural and expressive strokes. The tablet includes 10 customizable shortcut keys, a function switch key, and a touch ring radial controller for quick adjustments such as brush size, zoom, or scrolling. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android via OTG, the M10K Pro offers responsive performance and versatile control, making it a strong option for artists seeking a high-functioning tablet without the higher cost of a display tablet. Number 5. GAOMON M1220 12-inch Tablet. The GAOMON M1220 is a 12-inch, approx. 10x6.25 for an active area, graphics tablet designed for digital artists and illustrators, offering a generous working surface paired with strong specs for its price. It supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and plus 60 degrees tilt recognition via its battery-free stylus, enabling expressive and accurate strokes. The device features 8 customizable express keys alongside a dedicated media bar of 13 multimedia keys, giving users quick access to shortcuts and controls. It's compatible with Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.12 or later, and Android 6.0 Plus with OTG 3G support via USB-C, it offers versatile connectivity. With a 5080 LPI pen resolution and plus 0.3mm accuracy, it delivers fine detail and responsiveness, making it a strong option for creators seeking performance and workflow efficiency without breaking the budget.